Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Can you understand this Indonesian conversation? Wait, before we start, how much Indonesian do you actually understand? Not words you memorized, not phrases you've seen in apps, but real, spoken Indonesian. Because here's the truth. Indonesian sounds simple, but in real conversations, it flows naturally, quickly, smoothly, and sometimes that makes it harder to follow than expected. So today, you're going to test yourself. No pressure, no stress. Just listen and see what you can understand. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Don't translate everything. Just focus on what sounds familiar. Here we go. Selamat pagi. B. Selamat pagi. Kamu datang lebih awal hari ini. Ya, hari ini saya punya banyak pekerjaan. B. Oh begitu. Semangat ya. A. Terima kasih. How much did you catch? Even one word counts. Now, let's break it down slowly. First line. Selamat pagi. This means good morning. Very common, very important. Second line, selamat pagi. Kamu datang lebih awal hari ini. Good morning, you came early today. Kamu sama dengan, you datang sama dengan, come lebih awal sama dengan, earlier hari ini sama dengan today. Third line, ya, hari ini saya punya banyak pekerjaan. Yes, I have a lot of work today. Ya sama dengan yes saya, sama dengan I punya, sama dengan have banyak, sama dengan a lot pekerjaan, sama dengan work. Fourth line, oh begitu, semangat ya. Oh, I see. Keep your spirit up. Good luck. Semangat is a very common encouragement phrase. Last line. Terima kasih, thank you. Now let's listen again. This time, try to follow everything. A choice. Selamat pagi. B. Selamat pagi, kamu datang lebih awal hari ini. A. Ya. Hari ini saya punya banyak pekerjaan. B. Oh begitu, semangat ya. A. Terima kasih. Did it feel easier? That's how listening improves, through repetition and recognition. Now, it's your turn. I'll say a sentence. You try to understand it before I explain. Ready? Sentence 1. Hari ini saya sibuk. Did you get it? I am busy today. Hari ini sama dengan today. Sibuk sama dengan busy. Next. Tolong tunggu sebentar. Please wait a moment. Tolong sama dengan please. Tunggu sama dengan wait sebentar, sama dengan a moment. Next, kamu mau kemana? Where are you going? Kamu sama dengan you, mau sama dengan want garis miring. Going to kemana sama dengan where to. Now, a slightly longer conversation, no explanation first. Just listen. A. Hello. B. Halo. Hari ini kamu mau apa? Saya mau pergi dengan teman dan menonton film. B. Bagus, selamat menikmati. A. Terima kasih. How much did you understand? Let's break it down. Hari ini kamu mau apa? What are you doing today? Saya mau pergi dengan teman. I'm going with a friend. Dan menonton film and watching a movie. Bagus. That's good. Selamat menikmati. Enjoy. Now let's hear it again. Slowly. A. Halo. B. Halo. Hari ini kamu mau apa? A. Saya mau pergi dengan teman dan menonton film. B. Bagus. Selamat menikmati. A. Terima kasih. Now, your final test. No hints, no breakdown. Just listen. A. Permisi, sekarang jam berapa? B. Sekarang jam 3. A. Terima kasih. B. Sama-sama. Did you understand? Here's the meaning. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. So, how did you do? Did you understand more than you expected, or was it challenging? Either way, you're improving, because listening is a skill, and every time you practice, you get better. Don't aim to understand everything. Aim to understand more than yesterday. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't give up. I'll see you in the next video. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.